Thinking about investing in Nvidia in 2025? Here are 7 compelling reasons why Nvidia could be a game changer for your portfolio. From AI dominance to gaming supremacy, Nvidia is shaping the future of technology. 7 reasons to buy Nvidia stock. Reason number 1: technical analysis. First, let's look at the weekly chart of Nvidia. Here we have a trendline channel from June 2024 to April 2025. The upper line was broken up in June and has now dipped into a pullback in the early September and started to move back up again at a large green candle here. If the bullish momentum continues, I predict the next target could be around $210. Here is a daily chart setup. First, we can see that an island reversal pattern has formed in early September 2025. Second, the price dipped into a pullback and moved back up again as it is finding strong support at the 50-day EMA, which is moving above EMA 200, showing the price is trending bullish. Third, the short-term Elliot Wave is forming in the chart from April 2025. The price is currently moving in Wave 4, which may have completed, and Wave the 5th of May have already started. Reason number 2: Nvidia is the global leader in AI hardware. Its GPUs power large AI models, cloud AI servers, and machine learning applications. Nvidia's chips are critical for breakthroughs in autonomous driving, healthcare AI, and generative AI models like ChatGPT. Reason number 3: Nvidia dominates the gaming GPU market. The latest RTX 40 series cards deliver ray tracing and AI-enhanced graphics, attracting gamers, esports players, and content creators. Gaming revenue grew 49% year-over-year in 2025, showing consistent demand even in fluctuating markets. Reason number 4: rapid acceleration of Nvidia's data center revenue. In Q2 fiscal year 2026, data center revenue reached $41.1 billion, a 5% sequential increase, driven by high demand for AI training and inference workloads. Revenue from Nvidia's Blackwell data center GPUs grew 17% sequentially, highlighting strong adoption in AI infrastructure. Reason number 5: Nvidia leads in GPU innovation with architectures like Ada Lovelace for gaming and Blackwell for AI. Competitors struggle to match Nvidia's combination of performance, power efficiency, and software ecosystem. Its CUDA platform is the industry standard for AI development, giving Nvidia a strong competitive moat. Reason number 6: Nvidia is financially robust. In Q2 fiscal year 2026, total revenue hit $46.7 billion, plus 56% year-over-year. Net income reached $26.4 billion. Free cash flow totaled $13.5 billion, reflecting high profit margins and solid cash flow, giving Nvidia strong capacity for R&D and stockholder returns. Reason number 7: long-term investment potential. With AI, gaming, autonomous driving, and cloud computing, it has multiple growth engines that could boost stock value for years. Partnerships with companies like Mercedes, Tesla, and Microsoft enhance Nvidia's market reach, while diversified revenue streams provide resilience against market volatility. So, if you're looking for a stock with innovation, growth, and market dominance, Nvidia is a strong contender. Are you ready to ride the AI and gaming wave? If you enjoyed this analysis, please subscribe for more Nvidia updates and stock market insights. Thanks for watching.